This 2025 Forest River Surveyor Legend 252 RBLE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Rock Springs, Wyoming, 82901 and is offered for sale by First Choice RVs. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 29 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 6, refrigerator, water heater, awning, slide out, LP detector, smoke detector, microwave, TV, stovetop burner, air conditioning, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features couples coach, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Forest River Surveyor Legend 252 RBLE is 5,313 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to First Choice RVs.